Welcome everyone. Caleb and I are at Castlewood State Park. I haven't been here in a couple years since we did our Missouri State Parks video. Caleb has been assigned to film an animal in nature for Cub Scouts, so we are going to come into some nature and see if we can find an animal to film. What animal do you think we'll find?
Squirrel.
A bear? Bobcat?
You.
A wolf?
You.
A lion? Tiger?
You.
A weeblo?
You.
So we're gonna find probably a squirrel, but let's go see what we can find. All right, we had a hellacious rainstorm yesterday, so hopefully it's not super muddy. It looks pretty nice here. We are on the lookout for animals. Uh-oh, I see some mud. We have a roadblock. Luckily it looks like we have a way around. Unbelievable day. About 70 degrees. We're just a few days before Halloween. I just heard an explosion. So Caleb, any animal sightings? Nothing yet. Nature. The sign at the front said there was a special event today. I don't know what that event is, but I think it might be scaring away the nature. Caleb, where's the nature? Nature. It looks like we're out in the middle of the African plains here. We're on the Grootpeter Trail. Grootpeter. Where are all the animals? Come on, we need at least a squirrel. We stumbled upon some nature. Nature. I think it's abandoned.
It's not working.
Just a fantastic day. We can't seem to cross here because there's no bridge. So we're gonna head back and see if we can find some animals back the other direction. Caleb,
Yeah.
we haven't seen
Any
a bunny, we haven't seen a squirrel, we haven't seen a turtle.
We've seen anything.
We've seen nothing.
We saw a butterfly.
Yeah.
But then that's.
Where's the nature?
I just saw a bird, but now it's gone.
Yeah, we need some nature. Okay, I think we found some nature. I think it's a mini snake. It was getting away, so I kind of kicked it to keep it on the trail.
It's dead.
I think I killed it. Oh crap. It is a miniature snake. Be careful with it. Oh, okay.
It's alive.
So Caleb, film it in nature. It's scared of us.
I am filming it right as we speak. Hello, Mr. Snake. Listen, I am sorry, Mr.
It's
Snake.
a little baby, so there might be a mama somewhere around here.
Oh, you're scared.
I don't know what. Anybody know what type of snake this is?
Found a snake. Okay, I did my filming.
Oh wait, there he goes, Caleb. It's moving. It's moving.
Okay, now kick it again.
I'm not gonna kick it again. There it goes. That's all right. All right, after the little baby snake, we found some more nature. Little caterpillar that Caleb is messing with.
I'm such a bad person.
Pretty soon,
It's not scared of me anymore.
It will be a butterfly.
I mean, you don't know for sure. It could be like
Nature.
this guy's a legend. His mom's probably somewhere and he just doesn't care.
Yeah. Well, you better get off this path before a bike rider runs right over. Okay, I just realized we are horrible, horrible Boy and Cub Scouts because we're
killing a snake.
We're on a trail, but we didn't bring a backpack with the supplies we need. Caleb, do you remember what supplies we need on hikes?
Wait, we need supplies.
You remember the stuff we need?
Let's
Let's see if he remembers any of it.
You need stuff.
You need a water. You need water. Water bottle.
Food.
You need a whistle.
You need that. Yeah, you need the whistle.
Salty snack. Sunscreen. And
Hiking stick?
no, is that everything? I don't know. You need stuff like that, and a rain poncho, I believe, is
Well,
in
I got
there.
my spit. That's my water.
So we are not following the be prepared or do your best, because this was not our best and we are not prepared.
Yeah, when we were little, even before I did Cub Scouts and we went on hikes,
yeah,
we didn't even bring all that
I know,
stuff,
we don't bring anything. We are, if we got trapped here, we'd be dead.
We'd be dead. And
But look at this day though. We're not going to die today. Blue sky, 70 degrees. Nature. I don't like those snakes though. Ugh. Where's the mama snake? All right, well, we're out in nature.
yeah.
If you want to see Caleb's video with the little baby snake, the caterpillar, and then if you want to see that video, I'm going to post it on his channel, link below. But I can't say it enough. Fantastic day here at Castlewood State Park. Haven't been here in a few years, but it is an amazing park, especially for hiking. I think it's one of the top in the area.
Wait a minute.
We didn't even go up on the bluffs overlooking the Merrimack River. We're just down here at the bottom. Stepped on a snake, almost killed it, but it's free. So don't come after me, PETA. I'm not trying to kill animals here. But with that being said, we are off.
I'm a good Boy Scout.
May the adventure continue.
Like, subscribe, blah, blah, blah. I'm a good Boy Scout.